Imagine this. You look up at the night sky, and instead of just admiring the stars, you're planning a trip to one. Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you that interstellar travel, the kind we see in sci-fi movies, might not be just a fantasy? Buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into the ultimate cosmic journey. For centuries, humanity has been captivated by the idea of traveling beyond our solar system, exploring the distant stars, and unlocking the mysteries of the universe. It's the stuff of science fiction, right? But let's be honest, once we really take a look at the scale of space, that dream starts to feel pretty far out of reach. Let me hit you with some perspective. The closest star to us, Proxima Centauri, is a whopping 4.22 light-years away. And if we zoom out to the scale of our own Milky Way galaxy, the numbers get absolutely insane, about 160,000 light-years across. Now, let's say you could somehow zip along at the speed of light, 300,000 kilometers per second. You'd think you could cover that distance in a snap, right? Think again. It would still take you an eye-watering 160,000 years to get from one side of the galaxy to the other. And here's the kicker. Even traveling at the speed of light is completely out of the question. According to Einstein's special theory of relativity, the speed of light is the absolute top speed in the universe. Because as you approach light speed, your mass increases, and the energy needed to keep pushing you forward becomes infinite. In short, we just can't generate enough energy to move at that speed, let alone exceed it. So, are we doomed to dream forever? Not so fast. Scientists still have some hope on the horizon. One of the most exciting ideas, often seen in Star Trek and other sci-fi tales, is something called warp drive. Sound familiar? Well, it might surprise you to know that this concept isn't just from the imagination of screenwriters. It has some serious scientific roots. Back in the 1950s, German physicist Bernhard Heim came up with the idea of warp travel, inspired by Einstein's general theory of relativity. This theory tells us that gravity isn't just a force, it's a result of the curvature of space-time itself. The more mass an object has, the more it bends space-time. This gave Heim the idea that maybe, just maybe, we could manipulate this curvature to travel faster than light. Here's how it works in theory. Rather than propelling a spacecraft at insane speeds, a warp engine would bend space-time itself, compressing the space in front of the spacecraft and expanding it behind. This would create a bubble that allows the spacecraft to move faster than light, without technically breaking the speed limit of the universe. The key here? The spaceship isn't actually speeding up in the traditional sense. It's the fabric of space-time that's shifting around it, letting it travel vast distances without violating Einstein's rules. Sounds cool, right? Well, the tricky part is that, in practice, it's an absolute beast of a challenge. First, to warp space-time in this way, we would need an almost unimaginable amount of energy. Some scientists believe it would require energy levels 1 billion times greater than the sun itself. And then there's the issue of controlling such a powerful gravitational field. After all, bending space-time might just create forces strong enough to tear apart nearby matter, basically a mini black hole in the making. Right now, warp drive is still more of a theoretical concept. But who knows? As technology advances, we might just find a way to harness this idea and make interstellar travel a reality. So, while it's a dream for now, the future of space exploration could be a lot closer than we think. So, what do you think? Will we ever make it to the stars? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you love space, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing explorations of the universe.